Your habit tracker says you're on a 30-day streak. You quit 11 days ago. It never noticed. That's a grid of checkboxes. It stores what you ticked. It doesn't understand any of it. It can't see a streak break. It can't see a habit die. And it will never tell you which day of the week you fall apart on. So I built a spreadsheet that sees all three. Here it is, running. 6 active habits, 3 streaks going right now. Longest streak on record, 21 days. 1 habit on fire, 2 flagged. Average consistency, 59.8%. I typed none of that. I typed a 1 or a 0 once a day. Everything else came out the other end. 7 tabs. You fill in 2. Let's go. Tab 1, habits. Name, category, start date, active or paused. And this column, target frequency. Daily, 5 times a week, 3 times a week, or weekly. This is the column that fixes the biggest lie in habit trackers. A habit you only meant to do 3 times a week normally gets measured against all 7 days. You keep your schedule perfectly, and it says 43%. The habit you never missed looks worse than a daily habit you miss constantly. Here it's measured against 3. Keep your schedule, and it reads 100%. Tab 2, the daily log. 1 row a day. 1 means done. 0 means the day happened and you didn't. And blank, a day you never logged. That's a third thing, and almost nobody separates it. A 0 pulls your percentage down, and it should. A blank doesn't. 1 forgotten day shouldn't punish you for 6 months. Column headers pull the names from the Habits tab automatically. Rename a habit once, watch, and it renames everywhere. That's everything you fill in. From here, you only read. This is the main tab. First number, current streak. It drops to 0 the moment a habit goes more than a day unlogged. Not after a month, immediately. Look at the journal row. Longest streak, 13 days. Still there, separate column, never resets. Current streak, 0, because the last entry was 8 days ago. A tracker still showing you 13 isn't motivating you. It's lying to you. Second number, consistency. Morning workout, 6 days out of 21. Naive math says 29%, but the target was 5 times a week, 15 over this period, so it reads 40. 40 is still bad, and it's flagged, but it's 40% of what you promised, not 29% of a promise you never made. The link to this spreadsheet is in the description below. Open it now and follow along in your own copy. Now the third number, the one I built this for, a day of the week breakdown. Not one habit, all of them at once. Saturday, 100%. Sunday, 63. And that's your day off, the day you assumed was easy. You will never see this habit by habit. 1 missed workout on a Sunday is random. 1 missed journal entry is random. Stack every habit into one view and the randomness cancels out. What's left is a pattern. I have no discipline. Nothing you can do with that. Everything collapses on Sundays. That has a fix. Move things to Saturday. Cut Sunday's load. Or just know it's coming. The file doesn't give advice. It shows you where it tears. Monthly summary. Was this month better than the last one or worse? July, 80%. August, 67.8. Arrow down. And it isn't habits times days. It counts only what was actually possible on each date. So a habit you added mid-month doesn't ruin the month behind your back. Every threshold is yours, on its own tab. How long a streak has to run to count. Below what percentage a habit gets flagged. How many silent days before it's called gone quiet. That last one is smarter than it looks. A daily habit gets suspicious after 5 days. A weekly habit gets 11. Because for that habit, a 6-day gap is normal, not an alarm. The threshold stretches to your own schedule. And that's the whole file. Start here. Settings, habits, daily log, streaks and consistency, monthly summary, dashboard. All of it is on the same link in the description. Honestly, what it doesn't do. It doesn't sync with your phone. It doesn't import from an app. It will not fill in a day for you. A streak here means you typed a 1. And it won't play along. A streak you broke reads 0, not the number it used to be. If you want a tracker that makes you feel good, this isn't it. This one is accurate. One file, 7 connected tabs, Excel and Google Sheets. You fill in 2, the other 5 calculate themselves. A streak that resets when you stopped, a percentage measured against your own target, and the day you actually fall apart on. Link is in the description below.